Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to schedule a scenario in Make to run every day at a specific time, so your automations fire reliably without you lifting a finger. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Automations only deliver value when they actually run, and Make's built-in scheduler is the cleanest way to put your scenarios on autopilot. Once this is set up, your workflow will trigger itself at the exact time you choose every single day with no manual input from you. Let's start inside the scenario builder. Once your scenario is open on the canvas, look at the toolbar running along the bottom of the screen. You'll spot a small clock icon. That's the scheduling control. Click it, and the schedule settings panel slides open. Inside that panel, find the drop-down labeled Run Scenario. It gives you several frequency options once, at fixed intervals, every day, every week, and more. For a daily run, select Every Day. This tells Make you want this scenario to trigger on a recurring 24-hour cycle rather than being kicked off manually or by a webhook. Now set the time. You'll see fields for the hour and the minute. Dial in the exact moment you want your scenario to execute. 9 o'clock in the morning is a popular clean choice, but think about when your data will actually be ready and when the output needs to land. That's the right time to schedule it. Before you save, take a quick look at your time zone settings. This is where a lot of people get caught out. Make uses the time zone tied to your account or to the specific scenario, and if that doesn't match your local time, your scenario will fire at the wrong hour. You can check and adjust it inside your scenario settings. It takes about 30 seconds and saves a surprising amount of confusion down the road. Once everything looks right, click Save to lock in the schedule. Then glance at the toggle switch in the bottom left corner of the canvas. If it's off, your scenario will sit completely idle no matter what the schedule says. So make sure that switch is flipped to on, and that's all there is to it. You've just scheduled your Make scenario to run automatically every day at a precise time. Your automation now handles itself on a daily cycle, and you don't have to think about it again. If you have questions or want to see more Make tutorials, drop them in the comments below. I read every one. See you in the next one.